Hello students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your places and enjoying at your home. So students, as first of all, before starting the topic, as you all know that yesterday it was Mother's Day and you enjoyed with your mothers, you enjoyed with your family, you did so many activities with your mother. So students, is it the one day for your mother? Means you are dedicating only one day for your mother, you are listening to her, you are obeying her, and you are just like be with her, or whatever we can say, it is for one day only. No, means if you love your mother, obviously I know that you love your mother, you have to follow her every day, you have to listen to her every day, because as you all know that how much your mother is like paying for you or working for you, how much she is doing work for you or working hard every day for you, from waking up in the morning till night, everything she is doing for you, like giving you meals, that is breakfast, lunch, dinner, and in between snacks, and washing your clothes and everything, your study work and any other project of homework or any other need, whatever you are requiring, she is providing you, she is giving you. So it is not only one day that you listen to her and you share all your love on her. It is not only one day, you have to listen to her every day. You can help her in small small things, like from waking up in the morning till night, small small things you can do for her, like you can say कि मम्मा आज मैं डाइनिंग टेबल पे जो है चीज़ें अरेंज करता हूँ, इट इज़ करता हूँ या करती हूँ फॉर यू, आप खाना बनाओ एंड आई विल डू इट. You can serve the food to family members when she is preparing the food. You can help her in folding the clothes कि मम्मा लाओ मैं छोटे छोटे कपड़े आपके साथ फोल्ड करा देता हूँ या देती हूँ. एंड इवन यू कैन कि मम्मा आपने अब कपड़े आयरन करके रख दिए, नाउ लेट मी डू इट, आई विल अरेंज इट इन माई कबर्ड और योर कबर्ड और पापा's cupboard. These small small things you can do, you can help her. And with that, not only helping her in household work, with that you have to study as well कि मम्मा जब तक आप अपना काम कर रहे हो मैं फटाफट से अपना ये होमवर्क फिनिश कर लेता हूँ, फिर वी विल प्ले. So these small small things you can do for your mother, and she will really feel good when you will do that, when you will be like this every day, you will be like this, she will be very happy. क्योंकि उनको हर वक्त ये टेंशन होती है कि इनका काम कैसे होगा, ये पढ़ेंगे कैसे. So these things you can help your mother so that she will be relieved from this side, and she will be more than happy, means she will be more than happy कि you are obeying her and you are listening to her. So this is not only one day, you have to listen to her every day, every day. But whatever she, we can't pay back to our mothers, हम अपनी mothers को pay back नहीं कर सकते वो जो हमारे लिए करते हैं, but हम उनकी हेल्प ज़रूर कर सकते हैं, ये छोटे छोटे काम करके, छोटी छोटी तरह से उनकी हेल्प करके, उनकी बात मान के, उनकी बात सुन के, लेकिन हम उनकी हेल्प ज़रूर कर सकते हैं. हम उनके लिए अपनी रिस्पेक्ट शो कर सकते हैं कि हाउ मच वी आर रिस्पेक्टिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई रिक्वेस्ट यू to do for your mother every day, not only for one day you have done, but keep habit of doing it every day, respecting her every day, working for her every day, helping her every day. So this is my request, and I know that you will listen to me, you will definitely you are realizing something you're from inside that you have to do that. Even we have to do that, not only you, I also are involved with you, we have to do this every day. So now we are going to start with our topic. Student, last week I have given you one worksheet of chapter number 3, that is movement of the earth, their effects. तो वो वर्कशीट हम आज डिस्कस करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Write the correct answer in the given space. A diagram is given to you और उसके अंदर blanks दिए हुए हैं. What you have to do is you have to do the right answers in the blank. So start with it. I'm just making the same diagram over there. I know my drawing is not so good, but we can manage. We will be able to understand whatever I am drawing over there. This diagram is also there in your book as well. So this is something how diagram is. So it is saying from here dash is the dash in the northern hemisphere. So here we will write spring in the northern hemisphere. This is the circle showing how seasons are caused. So here we can write dash in the northern hemisphere, winter in the northern hemisphere. And here it is saying autumn in the southern hemisphere and dash in the northern hemisphere. So here we will write summer. Here it is written winter in the southern hemisphere, no blank is here. And dash in the southern hemisphere, spring in the southern hemisphere. And here summer in the dash hemisphere, autumn in the northern hemisphere. So summer in the southern hemisphere and autumn in the northern hemisphere. So this is the diagram. You can do it from there as well. I hope you have already done it. Still, if you have not done it, you can do it from there. So students, B part is give reasons for the following. आपको reason देना है. When the northern hemisphere experience summer, जब northern hemisphere में summer होती है, तो southern hemisphere जो होता है वहाँ पे विंटर क्यों होती है एंड वाइस वर्सा चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब जब नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में विंटर होती है तो साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में समर. वाई इट इज? सो इट इज बिकॉज आवर अर्थ इज टिल्टेड ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. हमारी जो अर्थ है वो अपनी एक्सिस के ऊपर टिल्टेड है. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर. So first का A part means B part का first part is one is because earth is tilted on its axis. And second, places in the east get exposed to the sun first. जो ईस्ट में प्लेसेस होते हैं वहाँ पे सन सबसे पहले आता है. रीजन पूछा है. सो प्लेसेस इन द ईस्ट गेट एक्सपोज टू द सन फर्स्ट बिकॉज सन राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट. सन कहाँ से राइज करता है? ईस्ट से. सो सबसे पहले जो ईस्ट के प्लेसेस हैं सनलाइट वहीं पे पड़ेगी बिकॉज सन इज राइजिंग फ्रॉम द east direction. So what can be the answer? Places in the east get exposed to the sun first because sun rises in the east. So this is the answer. Now we will moving to the next page, that is page number, इसका page number 2 worksheet का. So here it is given a table of rotation and revolution, जिसके अंदर इन्होंने रोटेशन और रेवोल्यूशन की डेफिनेशन पूछी है, उसकी ड्यूरेशन पूछी है और उसके इफेक्ट्स पूछे हैं. सो आई एम मेकिंग इट देयर. That is C part. So it is first of all definition, second one is duration, and third one is effects. Fine. Are you able to see it? Yes. Now definition क्या है? The spinning movement of earth on its axis. So rotation and revolution. So first of all we will talk about rotation. So rotation की definition क्या है? Sorry. So what is the definition of rotation? The spinning movement of the earth on its axis. And इसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या होती है? ड्यूरेशन इज 24 hours. एंड इफेक्ट्स क्या बनते हैं इससे, रोटेशन से? डे एंड नाइट. सो दिस इज द rotation. First of all definition, the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. Duration 24 hours. Effect day and night. So this is your rotation. Now we will talk about revolution. So now we will talk about revolution. कि revolution क्या होता है? When the earth revolves around the sun. जब अर्थ जो है, when earth revolves around the sun, तो वो क्या होता है? दैट इज रेवोल्यूशन. टाइम कितना होता है? दैट इज यू कैन से 1 year और 365 1/4 days. And what is the effect? Effect is change in seasons. So this is the table. सबसे पहले we will talk about rotation. Rotation क्या होता है? Definition: the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. Duration how much? 24 hours. And effects day and night. And when we are talking about revolution, when earth revolves around the sun, जब हमारी अर्थ जो है सन के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करती है, उससे रेवोल्यूशन बनता है. और how much time it take? 365 1/4 days. And change in season, that is the effect. So now we will talk about D part. Give one word answer for the following. So I am here for a minute. You can note it down. After that I'll erase it. And students, as you know that your your PT1 exams are approaching. So chapter number 1 and 2 is your syllabus. Prepare on time. so that now still you are having some time in that, you can prepare it on time. Otherwise, the same thing which I already have said in your classes, that it will be a pile of work which you will not be able to do in a 1 or 2 days. So better is be prepared on time for your exam. So now I am erasing it. So now students, after that we are having D part, that is one word answer for the following. So it take little more than 27 days to complete one revolution. क्या है जिसको 27 days से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है एक रेवोल्यूशन को कंप्लीट करने में? ये क्वेश्चन तो हमने अपनी क्विज में भी किया था, दैट इज मून. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, देयर आर 366 days in this year. किसमें होते हैं 366 days? लीप ईयर में. ये सब कुछ तो हम क्विज में भी कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, वी हैव डन इट इन क्विज. द फिक्स्ड पाथ ऑन विच द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन. सन के अराउंड जब अर्थ मूव करती है एक फिक्स्ड एक्सिस, एक फिक्स्ड उस पे पाथ पे, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उस पाथ को हम बोलते हैं ऑर्बिट. And the imaginary line drawn through the center of the earth joining north pole and the south pole. तो imaginary line कौन सी है वो? So imaginary line drawn through the center of the earth joining the north pole and the south pole. जो north pole और south pole को line जो है join करती है, that imaginary line is called as axis of the earth. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया था दैट इज एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ, जिसके अराउंड जो है अर्थ अपना रोटेशन लेती है, जिसके अराउंड अर्थ घूमती है, दैट इज एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ एट द सेंटर ऑफ द विच इज टिल्टेड एट द एंगल ऑफ 66.5 degree. So this is the imaginary line drawn through the center of the earth joining the north pole and the south pole is axis of the earth. After that students, we are having E part. Choose the correct options. The axis is tilted at an angle of, axis कौन से एंगल पे tilted होता है? 66.5 degree. So the axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degree. February has 29 days. कितने days होते हैं फरवरी में? 29 days. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes, जो revolution होती है अर्थ के अराउंड, सन के अराउंड जब अर्थ रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करता है तो उससे क्या बनता है? सीजन्स. और जब अर्थ अपनी ही एक्सिस के ऊपर एक राउंड कंप्लीट करती है तो क्या बनता है? डे एंड नाइट. द डैश डे ऑफ एवरी ईयर इज एडेड टू मेक वन एक्स्ट्रा डे. हाउ मेनी डेज? दैट इज 1/4 day. So students, this was all about your worksheet which I have given to you. I hope you have already done it, but still if you have not done it, you can do it from there and you can revise it. My instruction is only do your work on time. This is for you, always I say, and you can do it from there as well. And as I told you, your PT1 are approaching, so students, start preparing for it. 1 and 2 chapter is the syllabus. Syllabus will be sent to you shortly. So what I can say is prepare on time, and what I said in the beginning, listen to your mother, your parents every day, because whatever they are saying, that is for your well-being, that is for your betterment. So please follow their instructions. and we will meet tomorrow with the new topic, chapter number 4. We have already started. Tomorrow we will meet with chapter number 4. Means we have done some topics of chapter number 4, but tomorrow we will continue the chapter from where we have left last week. So till the time, do revision for your PT1, and we will meet tomorrow again with new topic. Bye students.